Hi friends, welcome back to my channel VTechnical. So today our next sub toolbar from the operation toolbar, that is 3D geometry. We only have three tools in this toolbar. First one is project 3D elements, second is intersect 3D elements, and third is project 3D silhouette edges. So friends, I have one 3D geometry ready here. With the help of this geometry, we will see how we can create some reference edges or reference sketches for a sketching with the help of 3D geometry toolbar. So let's start with the sketch. I will select ZX plane as my sketch plane. Now let's enter the sketch workbench. You can see here the 3D geometry toolbar. Starting with the first tool, that is project 3D elements. I will select this tool. I will select on this face. So now you can see one yellow outline. This is nothing but the outline of the selected face which has got projected on my sketch plane. Now I can convert this projected elements into construction lines. I will just select it and I will click on this tool, that is construction or standard elements, from the sketch tools toolbar. You can see here the projected elements got converted into construction lines. Similarly, I will select one more face and I will show you. Now I am selecting this slant face. So you can see as this tool, that is construction or standard elements, is activated, so it directly got converted into construction lines. Now I will convert this triangular rib face. So you can see here I got one triangular element here. Now suppose I want to use this projected elements as a sketch. Then what I will do is I will select the sketch. I will right click there. I will right click on this sketch. I will go on this option called isolate and I will click it. So now the yellow highlighted elements got converted into a white colored sketch. Now this sketch you can use for your further sketching. You can edit that sketch. You can add some more elements to that sketch. Now moving further with the second tool, that is intersect 3D elements. So I will select that tool and I will again go and select the face which I had selected previously. I am selecting this. You can see here one error. The error says intersection with the sketch plane failed. Intersection does not exist. That means this tool is used to project those elements which intersect the sketch plane. So now I will select this tool. I will go and select this slant face. You can see this slant face is intersecting with the sketch plane. So let's see what the result comes. I am selecting the face. You can see here it has given us a line. The intersection of the sketch plane and this plane is the line. So it is giving us the result as line. To understand more clearly, I have created one offset plane here. You can see here I will hide all the other planes. So you can see here we have one plane here. Now I will select the second tool, that is intersect 3D elements. I will select this face. You can see it is giving the result line. I will select again this face. Now I will also select this face. You can see it is only giving us the line at which the selected face and the plane is intersecting. Now if I select this face, it will again give me the error as the intersection does not exist. Last tool in this toolbar is Project 3D Silhouette Edges. Silhouette means a dark space seen against a light surface. You can only create a silhouette edge from a conical surface whose axis is parallel to the sketch plane. You will see here I have made some minor changes in the geometry. So now I will show you how to use this 3D Silhouette Edges tool. So I have selected this offsetted planes as my sketch plane. Now I have selected the tool. I will select this inner hole now. You will see the result. You will see here it has projected the upper and lower edge of the circle. Similarly, now I am selecting this hole. You will see it has projected the side edges. Now, if I try selecting this hole, the axis of this hole is not parallel to my sketch axis. Now, if I select this hole, it will show me one error. This hole, you cannot project that cylindrical surface. Now, if you see this half circle, the axis of the circle is parallel to the sketch axis. So this needs to be projected. I will select this and you can see here it got projected. In this way, you can select and project the edges of a conical surface only whose axis is parallel to the sketch plane. So guys, we are done with this session. If you have any doubts, leave a comment in the comment section below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications.